everyone, welcome to BOSSA School of Advertising. My name is Joshua Amobi, and on this channel we hope to help small business owners, we hope to help entrepreneurs, startup founders grow and scale their business digitally. So we'll be covering subjects like digital advertising, digital marketing. We'll be sharing personal strategies, tips, hacks that we've used for our own business and also for several businesses across Africa and across the world. But before we go into the video for today, I would like to subscribe to this channel, give it a like, and also hit the notification button so that you will be up to date. You will be the first to know when we share a new video, when we share a new strategy and a new hack that we just discovered on this channel. So yeah, let's get right into it. So in today's video, I'll be sharing four simple hacks that you can use to optimize your Instagram handle for more visibility in 2024. Four simple hacks that you can use to optimize your Instagram handle visibility in 2024. So these particular four hacks can work for both personal profiles, Instagram profiles, and business Instagram profiles. So no matter whichever category you fall into, this particular video is for you. So yeah, let's get right into it. Instagram dropped a recent statistics on the performance of the app and how users are currently using Instagram as of 2024. And the very striking thing they said is that 80% of businesses globally have an Instagram handle. So 80% of businesses globally have an Instagram handle. So what does that mean for you as a small business owner? What does that mean for you as an entrepreneur or a startup founder? It means that there is more competition like never before. A lot of business are out there for your target customers. A lot of competitors are out there for your target audience. So you need to up your game if you really want to actually gain visibility on Instagram. So yeah, keep that in mind. So when I'm talking about visibility here, I know visibility when it comes to Instagram means a lot of things. Visibility can mean reach, like the number of people that was able to see your post that you made through your Instagram handle or profile. Visibility can mean a lot of things, but the visibility I'm referring to here is the profile visit. Even if you have one or two contents, you can still use this particular hack to also get visibility. So it's not just based on content. So yeah, so when I'm talking about visibility, I'm referring to profile visit through search. So according to Instagram, they stated that millions of users do conduct searches on Instagram search on daily basis. So that means people are actually going on Instagram and they're searching for businesses and services like yours right now on Instagram. So I'll be telling you how you can position yourself so that you can be found through Instagram search. So just like the way Google search works, you put in a keyword and list of businesses, you find list of businesses which your own business can be part of it. Let's say a Google My Business or a website search ranking, whatever it is will show up. The customer clicks on the link and it takes them to either your Google My Business profile or it takes them to your website if that is in line with Google search. So just like that, that's how it similarly like it works with Instagram. Now I'll be showing you four hacks on how to optimize for visibility in that regard. So number one hack is that you need to use a fitting handle and profile name. So you might see me looking down. I'm actually on my phone, my device right now. So I'm also going to be showing you as I go through on my phone as well. So I also have a note so that I can be able to not miss a single thing in this particular video. So yeah, you need to use a fitting profile name. So let me quickly put up my phone on the screen. So I'm actually right now on Instagram. I'm actually on my personal profile on Instagram. So this is my personal profile on Instagram. So what do I mean by using a fitting profile name for your Instagram account? And how does this affect your visibility? Let me show you an example. So let's say, for example, let's use a case study of a baker in Lagos. So let's say, for example, I'm a customer, I'm part of the million users according to Instagram making a search, and I'm trying to find a baker in Lagos. So let me see what it looks like. So I go to Instagram, go to search, then I type in baker in Lagos. So if I search in baker in Lagos and I hit search, for example, so sometimes I don't even need to hit search for me to see like options that I can quickly select and move on. You get? So that's another way. But let's hit search and then let's go to accounts, because I'm trying to find profiles. I'm not trying to find a particular post. One post might not be enough for me to make my decision as a customer. So I need to see the entire profile. So I'll just go to account. So I search baker in Lagos. So befitting profile name, remember. So I open one. One important thing I need to clarify is that there are two kinds of names on Instagram. There is the profile name and there is the username. So I'm not referring to the username. So the username is more like your unique Instagram username. Like for example, if people search for that particular username on Instagram search, they find your profile directly. Even if there are other profiles, your profile will be the first because that is your unique username. So I'm not talking about the unique username, I'm talking about the profile name. So let me give you an example. So if you look at my own profile, you will see that my username is Josh the Richest. That is my username. So if you search on Josh the Richest on Instagram search, you should be able to find my profile directly. So let me quickly search that so that you get a picture of what I'm saying. So you get to see my profile directly, like you are seeing here. But a profile name, if you look at my profile, what you are seeing, my profile name is Joshua Amobi. So your profile name necessarily doesn't need to be the same with your username. Your username is your unique profile account that people can search and find it. But your profile name is just like your display name. Yeah, let me use that word, display name. So that's the unique difference between a profile name and a username. And we are referring to profile names. Yeah, very important. So back to baker in Lagos. Back to baker in Lagos. So let's open accounts. Let's see. Okay, let's click the first one. So if you look at this particular business owner, you will see that her username is Glamour Sensation Catering. That is her username. But her profile name is cake/baker in Lagos, Nigeria. That is her profile name. So the key thing there is using a befitting profile name. So when I say befitting, I'm referring to using keywords that is related to your business. So in this case now, baker is the keyword. Using it in your profile name. So looking at this business now, she just use caterer/baker. She doesn't even want to miss any and leave any stone unturned. So it's very important to use the specific keywords. Specific keywords here is baker, caterer, and in Lagos, and then Nigeria. Those are the keywords that you use. So use a befitting profile name for your business, for your Instagram profile or business account, whatever it is that you want, that you have, whichever account that you have. So that's number one hack. So number two hack is also use relevant keywords. Those relevant keywords in your bio. So those keywords that you used in your profile name, also find a way to use them in your bio. It's very important. According to Instagram, another of Instagram's updates in regards to how we rank search results. So if you look at what I have here, Instagram made an article on how they rank search results, and this is an interesting thing. They said your search text, your text in search. He said your text you enter in the search is by far the most important signal for search. So the text you put is very important. So he said we try to match what you type. They're talking about users now. They're not talking about businesses' own profile. So we try to match your type of username. Remember, usernames, bios, caption, hashtag, and places. So when they say username, they're referring to the profile name. Then bio. So that particular keyword has to be in your bio. So let's look out for this particular business owner on Instagram. Glamour Sensation Catering. She used UK based cake store. So there is a keyword cake, there is a keyword catering, there is a keyword event decoration, there is a keyword dessert. So those keywords, specific keywords that is related to her business, is also found in her profile. So let's check out other profiles that popped out. Let's see what we have here. So also, this particular person, this particular business used baker in Ikorodu / baker in Lagos. Then he also used the cakes, bakery, used the small chops, keywords that is in line with what he or she is selling, or he or she is services he or she is rendering in the profile bio. So it's very important you use that in the profile bio. So number 3 hack is also add your business location. Include your business location in your Instagram handle. I've seen businesses who do not add their business location on their Instagram handle. I don't know why they chose not to do that, but if you're one of them, please go and update and put your business location. So according to this search, remember they said username, bios, caption, hashtag, and places. So location is part of the key criteria at which Instagram ranks business profile when it comes to search. So for example, someone is searching baker in Lagos, you can't put your location in let's say in UK, for example, or let's say your location or address is in UK and you want to rank and show in keywords like baker in Lagos. It doesn't work that way, or you don't even have a business location at all. It doesn't work that way. So please update your business location and try to use the address that you want people to find you in. So if you're a baker in Lagos and you know most of the customers are in Lagos, just use baker in Lagos so that if people are searching for you, they can be able to find you. So that's number 3 hack. So let me go back to that first business profile. Okay, so she does things like training, she does things like event decoration. She also added all those information there. So the fourth hack has a lot to do with the post. So the fourth hack says that you should use those particular keyword, add those particular keyword on your posts. It mustn't be all of your posts, but it has to be some of your posts. So let's say, for example, you don't like I said, you don't need a lot of content to be able to do this. It can be 1 or 2 posts, but try to make sure that those posts carry those keywords, and also use specific hashtags, 1 or 2 of them. Let's say, for example, baker in Lagos. So this, if you have posts that have this particular keyword as hashtag and in the caption, and also you have the keyword in your bio, and you also have it in your profile name, you are well set on the road to more visibility on Instagram, because these are their criteria. I'm not the one that listed those criteria, because Instagram that listed those criteria. Yeah, so I'm trying to bring this particular hack on how to go about it. Yeah, so these are the 4 hacks that you can use right now. They're very simple. It won't take up to 15 minutes for you to do that optimization and all of that, and get your business profile on Instagram being seen by millions of customers who are searching on Instagram search on daily basis. So yeah, we've come to the end of today's video. I hope this particular video was insightful. I hope it's able to help you grow on Instagram, who help your business grow on Instagram and get more visibility. But before you go, I would like for you to subscribe to this channel if you've not done that by now. Please subscribe to the channel, give it a like. It's very important you give it a like so that more businesses can see this particular video. It's important to us, it helps us, it encourages us to do more of this kind of video, and also use and hit the notification bell as well so that you keep updated. You'll be the first to know when we drop a video so that you can be able to follow and use this as quick as possible as we drop them. Yeah, so thank you very much for your time, and if you want to reach out to us, you want us to help you to do this, I'll also leave a link in the description, a link for you to schedule a planning session with me. It's going to be just for a few minutes, 30 minutes, so I will leave that link on the description for you to schedule a meeting so that we can talk on how we can go about that. So until our next video, peace.